Module 2, Advanced Techniques in Script Writing. Lecture 1, Developing Scenes and Sequences. A script is composed of scenes, each with a purpose. Scenes create the building blocks of the story. Key principles include: scene objective, each scene should move the story forward or reveal character. Conflict within the scene, every scene should have tension or stakes. Pacing, balance action, dialogue, and description to maintain rhythm. Transitions, smoothly connect scenes to maintain narrative flow. Sequences are series of related scenes that form a larger narrative unit, often building toward major plot points or climaxes. Lecture 2, Dialogue Techniques. Dialogue is one of the most powerful tools in a script. Effective dialogue reveals character motivation and emotion, moves the plot forward, provides exposition naturally without overwhelming the audience, balances realism and dramatic impact. Techniques include: using subtext, what characters imply, not explicitly state. Varying speech patterns for individuality. Avoiding overly expository dialogue that feels unnatural. Practicing dialogue through reading aloud helps identify natural flow and rhythm. Lecture 3, Conflict Intensification and Resolution. Conflict drives drama, but conflict alone is insufficient. Writers must intensify conflicts to engage the audience. Techniques include: escalation, increasing stakes and complications progressively. Twist and reversals, introducing unexpected outcomes. Parallel conflicts, multiple storylines that intersect and heighten tension. Resolution should provide emotional or thematic closure, resolving major conflicts while allowing some ambiguity for realism. Lecture 4, Character Relationships and Dynamics. Strong scripts explore relationships between characters. Key considerations: interpersonal conflict, differences in goals or values create tension. Allies and opponents, supporting and opposing characters enhance protagonist development. Evolution of relationships, dynamic interactions reflect character growth. Exercises may involve mapping character relationships and predicting how interactions influence plot progression. Lecture 5, Theme Expansion through Storytelling. Themes gain depth through narrative devices. Symbolism, objects, settings, or actions represent deeper meaning. Motifs, repeated elements reinforce thematic concerns. Parallel stories, secondary narratives echo or contrast the main theme. The theme should be woven subtly into plot, dialogue, and character arcs to avoid heavy-handedness. Lecture 6, Practical Script Exercises. Application reinforces learning. Exercises include: writing short scenes with clear conflict, character, and theme. Developing group scripts to explore collaboration and multiple perspectives. Rewriting existing scenes to enhance dialogue, pacing, or tension. Creating character profiles to guide consistent behavior and dialogue. Through repeated practice, students internalize principles of plot, character, and theme. Lecture 7, Language and Style Refinement. Advanced script writing emphasizes conciseness, avoiding unnecessary words or descriptions. Tone consistency, ensuring voice matches genre and mood. Dramatic rhythm, varying sentence length, dialogue pace, and scene timing. Visual language, enabling directors and actors to interpret actions clearly. Style refinement enhances readability and performance potential. Lecture 8, Evaluating Scripts and Feedback. Evaluation is essential for growth. Key strategies include: self-review, checking structure, character consistency, and thematic clarity. Peer review, receiving constructive feedback from fellow writers. Performance testing, reading or acting out scripts to assess flow and impact. Revision, iteratively improving scripts based on evaluation. Feedback loops help writers identify weaknesses and refine storytelling skills. Lecture 9, Preparing Scripts for Production. Scripts must be formatted and presented clearly for production purposes. Screenplay format, standardized formatting for film and television scripts. Stage play format, including act and scene divisions, stage directions, and dialogue. Production notes, indicating props, lighting, and sound cues where necessary. Accessibility, ensuring scripts are readable for actors, directors, and crew. Understanding production requirements ensures scripts can be effectively translated to performance. Module 2 Summary. In this module, we covered scene and sequence development, dialogue techniques, conflict intensification and resolution, character dynamics, theme expansion, and visual language, practical exercises, feedback, and preparing scripts for production. These advanced techniques enable students to transform foundational principles into fully realized scripts ready for performance. This course on fundamentals of script writing has provided a comprehensive overview of principles of plot, conflict, character, theme, and language. Structuring stories through scenes and sequences. Dialogue writing, conflict resolution, and tension building. Exercises in script creation, feedback, and production readiness. By mastering these fundamentals and advanced techniques, students will be able to create dramatic scripts that are engaging, coherent, and adaptable for theater, film, or television.